is greater than 0 electron volt and less than 3 electron volt, then it is known as semiconductor. And when Eg is greater than 3 electron volt and less than 7 electron volt, that is known as insulator. Okay. On the basis of this gap, we divide the conductor. Okay. Not on the basis of conductivity right now. Okay. On the basis of energy band gap, we divide the solid in three types: conductor, semiconductor, and insulator. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But what are the drawbacks of that? First theory, it can't explain the effect of temperature, effect of intensity, and effect of impurity on semiconductor. What happens with respect to temperature, conductivity of semiconductor?
Conductivity decreases with increase in temperature.
I am asking for semiconductor, not for conductor, because we are studying semiconductor physics.
Conductivity
listen,
increases. Increases with
Conductivity
increase
will
in
increase
temperature.
for semiconductor, okay, on
Yes, sir.
increase in temperature. And for conductor, resistivity will increase on increase in temperature. दोनों की opposite, okay, opposite phenomenon with respect to temperature, right? When we increase the temperature, conductivity of semiconductor will increase, right, exponentially. Means it is sudden increase in conductivity.
Yes,
What is
sir.
the reason behind that? What is the reason behind that? Okay, this band theory explains that initially at room temperature. What is meant by room temperature? Okay, tell me. What is meant by pure semiconductor? What is meant by pure semiconductor? Which contains outer orbit 4 electron, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In pure semiconductor, outer orbit contains 4 electrons, like this atom. There are 4 electrons and 4 vacancies of electron. Means there are number of holes, number of deficiency of electron is equals to number of electrons, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, both charge carriers, electrons and holes are in same quantity, right? But all they stick to the atom, right? They are joined with the atom. Is they free to move to another atom?
No, sir.
Okay, they
No, sir,
only join to the particular atom. That's why such a charge carrier is known as valence charge carrier. Okay, valence charge carrier. If 4 electron is in outer orbit, this 4 electron is known as valence electron, right? And valence electron forming a band, that is known as valence band, right? So
Valence band.
all the charge carrier is only lies within the valence band, right?
Yes, sir.
Initially,
Yes, sir.
all the charge carrier lies in valence band. At room temperature, all the charge carrier lies in valence band. But when you increase the temperature, okay, that temperature energy gained by this electron in the form of heat, and they raise their energies and easily transfer to the conduction band. Why? Because this gap is in between 0 to 3 electron volt. Are you understanding what I am saying? When
Yes,
we
sir. Yes.
tune the temperature to the semiconductor, this electron of valence band can easily transfer to the conduction band by absorbing the heat of temperature. Okay? Because this gap is small for semiconductor, right? That's why at higher temperature, this semiconductor will act as a conductor. Its conductivity will increase with respect to temperature. Okay? इस एनर्जी बैंड ने इस ग्राफ का सेटिस्फैक्शन किया है ना? On increase in
Yes, sir.
temperature,
Yes.
electron comes in conduction band, and we know when electron comes in conduction band, it will known as a conductor. Okay, means at room temperature, our semiconductor behave as an insulator, but when we increase the temperature, electron from valence band is transferred to the conduction band, and that conduction band, okay, contains electrons. And when electron present in conduction band, then that solid is known as conductor. Means our semiconductor at room temperature acts as an insulator, but when we increase the temperature, it acts as a conductor. That's why its conductivity will increase with respect to temperature. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, again second factor. with light intensity. What will happen? What will happen? Same thing is happen.
Increase, sir.
Okay, linearly. Okay. This light intensity contains energy. That energy is absorbed by this electron and they transfer to the conduction band because this gap is smaller as compared to insulator. That's why electron can easily transfer to the conduction band. But in insulator, this gap is large. Okay, greater than 3 electron volt. That's why this light intensity is not a sufficient energy, or this temperature is not a sufficient energy to transfer electron from valence band to conduction band in insulator. That's why there is no change in insulator. But there is a change in conductivity of semiconductor. Why? Because this energy gap is small as compared to insulator. Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
ओके कुछ लोगों को समझ में आ रहा होगा, कुछ लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा. राइट, लिसन अगेन. In semiconductor, this energy gap is small as compared to insulator. Okay, that's why when we provide smaller energy to the valence band electron, which is present at room temperature in valence band, okay, they can easily transfer to the conduction band with a small energy. Why? Because this energy gap is small in semiconductor, but they does not transfer in conduction band in insulator. Reason behind that, its energy gap is more, that is greater than 3 electron volt to up to 7 electron volt, and this temperature and intensity can't provide this much energy. Are you understanding what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that's why we can only change the conductivity of semiconductor because this energy gap for semiconductor is small. Okay, and its conductivity is easily changed with temperature and intensity. Why? Because absorbing the energy by electron of temperature and intensity, and they can easily transfer to the conduction band. Are you understanding what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, किसी को डाउट है क्या मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? तो if you have doubt you can ask. Okay, this conductivity is only changed for semiconductor. Reason behind that, it contains small energy gap. This electron easily transfer to the conduction band by absorbing small energy also, because 0 to 3 electron volt is a small gap. So temperature can provide this much energy and light intensity also can provide this much energy for semiconductor. Means our valence electron comes in conduction band. That's why it will act as a conductor on increase in temperature and on increase in intensity. Right?
Right, sir.
इसने समझाया था क्या हो? By this theory. Okay, this experimental observation is not verified. This is a limitation of this classical theory. These 3 experimental observation is the limitation of this theory. But with the help of band theory, we can explain these limitations also. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, and last factor is impurity. What is meant by impurity? When we add pentavalent or trivalent impurity, there is increase in charge carrier, right? There comes extra electron or
Yes,
extra
sir.
hole, and when charge carrier is increased, definitely conductivity should be increased, right? So on adding impurity,
Yes, sir.
conductivity of semiconductor also increases, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so right now we overcome the drawbacks of classical theory with the help of band theory. Okay, so what is the energy band? What is the energy band gap? What is conduction band? What is valence band? Okay, ये सारी चीजें क्लियर है क्या आपको?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. समझ में
Okay, right now we have to study that bands in much more detail.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so listen again. Suppose this is energy on y-axis and this is x-axis. Every first shell electron, okay, in the solid there are large number of atoms, okay, and each atom contains multiple electrons. So in the solid there are large number of electrons also, right? First shell contains 2 electrons. This video is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear.
Okay, and you can see these one electron in the first shell contains 4 quantum number same, right? Because they are having same spin, and other quantum number is also same. That's why they contain 4 quantum number same. Means in each atom, okay, there is one electron which matched with electron of another atom, right? Means their
Yes,
address
sir.
is same in the solid. That's why they rearrange their addresses. They rearrange their energies. First shell electron rearrange their energies. ओके ये जो मैं लाइंस निकाल रहा हूँ ये क्या है?
Band, sir.
ओके विद इन द बैंड. बैंड के अंदर क्या है ये? आपको ये बैंड की तरह दिखेगा. बट व्हाट इज दिस लाइन? Okay, these are the different energy levels of each electron. Okay, means those electron having same quantum number, they rearrange their energy levels. Okay, and in the solid we know there are infinite number of electrons, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so how much energy level present in the first band? Can you tell?
No, sir. No.
Okay, we cannot tell that how many number of energy levels are present there. So each energy level within the band is known as density of state. Density of state. Okay, what is meant by density of state? Okay, each particular energy level of the electron within the band is known as density of state. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
ओके ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है जिनके चारों क्वांटम नंबर सेम है, राइट, वो ऐसे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एनर्जीज में अरेंज हो जाएंगे और हर एक इलेक्ट्रॉन की जो पर्टिकुलर एनर्जी है दैट इज नोन एज डेंसिटी ऑफ
Strength, sir.
सर फ्रीज हो गया सर.
Sir, your screen is freeze.
इज आई ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir. Yes.
सॉरी फॉर डिस्टर्बेंस. Can you see the page? Can you see the page?
Yes sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I am telling that in each atom there is a one electron which contains 4 quantum number same with one electron of another atom, right? This one electron in each atom contains 4 quantum number same. That's why they rearrange their energy, and this particular energy of the electron is known as the density of state, right? And with the help of this density of state, these density of states are closely spaced. They are closely spaced. That's why they look like a band. And this density of states is formed by first shell electron. That's why this band is known as first energy band. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, I want to tell the definition of density of state. So what is meant by density of state? It is a particular energy level of the electron within the band. Okay, जैसे एटम के अंदर क्या होता है? प्रिंसिपल शेल, then orbit, suborbit, right? This shells is indicated by this particular energy level. Okay, in each cell there is one electron, right? And with this electron there is another electron with another spin, because both having 4 quantum number different. Okay, spin is different. That's why 4 quantum number is not same. That's why in a one state there is a 2 electron. Okay, ये भी इलेक्ट्रॉन और ये भी इलेक्ट्रॉन साथ में रह सकते हैं. So what is the density of state? What is the density of state?
Energy
Energy
level.
particular electron, sir.
Okay, it is a energy level of particular electron. But I will ask the energy of this electron. Can you tell that? Is it possible to tell energy of this particular electron? Because there are
No, sir,
infinite
no.
number of electrons. Is it possible?
No, sir.
But you know, this is the first shell electron, right? This is the first shell electron. That's why you can definitely say that this electron will lie in first energy band. Right?
Yes, sir, yes.
Because
sir.
first energy band is formed by first shell. That's why you can definitely say that this electron will be present in first energy band. Okay? And I will
Yes,
ask
sir.
the particular energy level within this band. That is not possible to understand the particular energy of each electron. Is it possible within the band?
No.
No, sir.
Okay, it is not possible. Why?
There
Number
are
of
infinite
electrons.
number of electrons.
Okay. Are you studying kinetic theory of gases?
Yes, sir,
Chapter
yes.
in 12th. Okay, you find the root mean square velocity. Root mean square velocity, RMS velocity of the gases. Okay, how you calculate that velocity?
1 square plus V2.
Root 2 into maximum
Okay,
velocity.
you take average value. Which value?
Yes, sir. Average
Average value.
average value.
Okay, when number is infinite, okay, it is not possible to calculate particular value of each particle when number is infinite. Then we use a statistical concept. Statistical means like probability, average, RMS root mean square. This is a statistical concept, right? When number
Yes, sir.
becomes infinite, then we use statistical concept, right? Then you can say electron is present in particular energy level in terms of probability only, because here are infinite number of electrons like gas molecules. Because of infinite number of electrons, we have to use statistical concept. So we can say electron may be present or may not be present. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
When
Yes, sir.
number of electrons become infinite, then we can
Yes.
say that electron may be present or may not be present. We can say only electron may be present or may not be present. But you can't say electron is fixedly present there. ओके ऐसे फिक्स वैल्यू आप बता नहीं सकते हो इलेक्ट्रॉन यहीं पे प्रेजेंट है, बस आप ये बता सकते हो कि इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा या नहीं होगा. दैट इज अ प्रोबेबिलिटी कंसेप्ट. ओके, 50% probability is yes and 50% probability is no. So you can give the only probability is electron is present or not within the band. Is it clear? Because there are infinite number of electrons. Okay, so first energy
Yes,
band
sir.
is formed by first shell electron. Similarly, there are electrons in second energy level also. Okay, and each atom there is one electron which contains its 4 quantum number same with another one electron of another atom. That's why again they rearrange their energy. Second shell electron also rearrange their energy and form another band. Right? What is that band? If this is first, then this is known as second energy band. Is it clear?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it
Yes.
clear? Okay, first energy band is formed by first shell electron. Similarly, second energy band is formed by second shell electron. If there is outer orbit, third orbit, then it also contains some electrons and which also contains 4 quantum number same. That's why they also rearrange their energies. And this is known as third energy band. And if third shell is outer orbit, then it is known as valence electron. And this band is known as valence band. Okay, and some electron may be ejected from the valence band and it is free to move on the surface of solid. Okay, some electron may eject from the valence band because they are loosely bound with nucleus and they can wander on the surface of solid. They also form a band. That band is known as which band?
Conduction band.
Conduction band. Okay, आपको ये बैंड समझ में आ रहे हैं ना, कौन कौन सा बैंड फॉर्म कर रहा है तो?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, each and everything is related with each other. How current is changing, how conductivity is changing with respect to band, you will understand properly. Okay, so please try to understand what is first energy band, what is second energy band, what is valence band, what is conduction band. Okay, so this conduction band also contains different energy level. This particular energy level is again known as density of state. Okay, these particular energy levels are known as density of state. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so if we have free electrons, and energy is increased along the y-axis, okay, can you tell me which band consists maximum energy? कौन से बैंड की एनर्जी सबसे ज्यादा होगी?
फर्स्ट बैंड सर।
और फर्स्ट बैंड की
ओके, एटम के अंदर ये जो शेल्स होती है, राइट, ये शेल की एनर्जी कहाँ पे ज्यादा होती है? विच ऑर्बिट इज हैविंग हायर एनर्जी, आउटर ऑर्बिट और इनर ऑर्बिट?
आउटर सर।
देन हाउ फर्स्ट एनर्जी बैंड इज द हाईएस्ट एनर्जी?
नो सर, कंडक्शन बैंड।
Okay, conduction band
Conduction
contains
bands.
highest energy. Means our outer orbit electrons will become free to move on the surface of solid. They can wander in any direction on the surface of solid. Then we can say that it contains maximum energy, and which lies in conduction band. Okay, so I will tell another definition here. Listen properly. Okay, these are the density of states. What is meant by density of states? Particular energy level of the electron, and highest possible density of state filled by the electron is known as Fermi energy. Okay, what is Fermi energy? Highest possible density of state filled by electron is known as Fermi energy. Are you understanding what I am saying? This page is visible here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fermi energy. What is Fermi energy? It is highest possible energy level. Okay, energy level means density of state, particular energy level of the electron. Highest possible energy level of electron, right, is known as Fermi level, Fermi energy. Okay. Okay, so we have three solid: conductor, insulator, and semiconductor, right? So tell me, what is the highest energy level of electrons present in conductor? Okay, highest electron कौन से बैंड में प्रेजेंट रहता है?
कंडक्शन बैंड में सर।
Okay, then our electron must be present in conduction band. Means it occupies its highest energy level within the conduction band. And what is Fermi energy level? It is the highest possible energy level within the solid occupied by electron. Means in conductor, where is our Fermi level? In valence band or conduction band?
कंडक्शन बैंड। कंडक्शन बैंड।
Conduction band. Okay, ज़्यादा confuse होने की जरूरत नहीं है. Before this, we studied solid in terms of energy band gap. Okay, but here is new concept. We not studied on the band gap. We are studying on the basis of particular energy of the electron. Okay, this is a particular energy. Okay, please mute your mic. This is a particular energy. This is a particular energy which is the highest possible energy occupied by electron. Okay, please mute your mic. What is Fermi energy? This is the highest possible energy of electron. Roll number 39. Okay, this is your second time. Roll number 39. Okay, अभी वो लेक्चर सुन भी नहीं रहा है, कोई बताओ उसको, फालतू में डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है। अभी उसको रिमूव ही कर दिया मैंने. Is am audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right? What is Fermi energy? It is the highest possible energy level occupied by electron. Right? Before that, we are studying conductor, semiconductor, and insulator on the basis of energy band gap. But right now, we have to study conductor, insulator, and semiconductor on the basis of Fermi energy level. Okay? For conductor, what is Fermi energy? Okay, what is the difference between energy gap and Fermi energy? In energy gap, you cannot determine the particular energy of electron. Okay, I will tell something new concept to you. What is current? It is a flow of charges per unit time, right?
Charges per unit.
Okay, suppose this is atom. This is a metal. Okay, suppose gold metal, which contains outer orbit 1 or 2 electrons, right? These 2 electrons will act as a free electron. बराबर ना?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, and this free electron will contribute the current. Okay, this free electron will contribute the current. So how much power is required to move them is totally depend upon energy. हमको कितने पोटेंशियल की बैटरी अप्लाई करनी पड़ेगी वो किस पे डिपेंड करेगा? Is am
सर फ्रीज हो
audible?
गई सर.
Is am audible?
Sir,
Okay, I will
yes, sir.
repeat.
You are audible.
Okay, listen properly. You will understand all the concept within this example. Okay. What is current? Current is the flow of charges with respect to time. And suppose our gold is the metal, which is a conductor, which contains outer orbit 2 electrons. These 2 electrons will act as a free electron and which contributes in current. Okay. But when they contributes in current, when we apply some potential to them, then and then it comes in proper direction, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes sir.
Okay, their proper directional motion is gives us current. Okay, random motion doesn't give any types of current because they cancel each other, right? So
Yes, sir. Yes.
to move them in proper direction, we have to apply some power. But how much power is required is totally depends upon the energy of this electron. हमको अंदर वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. Why? Because they does not contribute in current. Only free electrons will contribute in current. So you have to understand the energy of this highest electron. Are you understanding what I am saying?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
We have to understand the energy of this highest electron. Why? Because we have to apply that much power through the battery. Then and then this electron will move towards in proper direction. That's why this potential is totally depends upon the energy of this outer orbit electron, right? Are you understanding what
Yes,
I am
sir.
saying? Okay.
Yes sir. Yes.
That's why in energy gap you cannot determine the outer orbit energy. Electron of outer orbit energy. You cannot determine the outer orbit energy. But with the help of this Fermi level, you can understand the highest energy. Okay, and that highest energy is occupied by only free electron. Are you understanding? Within the conductor, it is occupied by free electron. In insulator, there is no free electron. That's why this highest possible energy level comes in valence band, because in insulator that free electron is not available. All the electron is stick with their nucleus. That's why they known as valence electron, not a free electron. That's why highest possible energy for the valence electron comes in valence band. Are you understanding what I am saying? So what Fermi energy gives us, it is the highest possible energy. Okay, you will understand the energy of higher energy electron. Are you understanding what I am saying? And which is important
Yes, sir,
for
yes.
the flow of current. That's why this Fermi energy gives us more information regarding the free electrons. And this free electrons is only responsible for the characteristics of elements. Okay, you say some metals are reactive. Why they are reactive? Only because of this free electron, right? Sodium is more reactive. Why? Because its outer orbit contains only one electron. and this electron will act as a free electron. That's why it easily react with any other atom. Helium. Helium is an inert gas. Why? Because it contains 2 electrons and it completes its octet. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
The second shell is a stable shell because it contains 2 electrons. Okay, and maximum capacity of the shell is 2. That's why helium is more stable. There is no free electron like sodium. Means free electron is the only responsible factor for the activity of elements. Is it clear? ओके दुनिया में जितनी भी चीजें हो रही है वो किसकी वजह से हो रही है? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की वजह से हो रही है, राइट? और वो कौन से इलेक्ट्रॉन की वजह
Yes,
से
sir.
हो रही है? ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन.
Free
एंड
electron.
एनर्जी ऑफ दिस फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन is given by Fermi energy. Is it clear? Because it is the highest possible energy level. Within the solid, you cannot determine the exact energy, but you can determine the highest possible energy of the electron. And that highest possible energy is only occupied by free electrons. Are you understanding? हमको ये रिएक्टिविटी
Yes, sir,
वगैरह कुछ
yes.
पढ़ना नहीं है, हमको सिर्फ करंट और रेजिस्टेंस पे स्टिक रहना है. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's why this Fermi energy is most important concept. Okay, it is the highest possible energy level. Above this energy level, suppose this is our highest possible energy level in which electron is lies. Above this energy level, is there any electron?
No, sir.
Okay, because we define Fermi energy is nothing but it is the highest possible. Above that, there is no electron. But below this energy level, is there electron? Yes, there are valence electron and free electrons
sir,
are
yes,
present.
sir.
Also, lower orbits electrons are present. That's why you can say that above Fermi energy level, probability of finding the electron is 0. And below Fermi level, probability of finding the electron is 100%. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
I am saying probability, not exact energy of the electron. Right? So Fermi energy is the reference energy, which is the highest possible energy level by which you can understand the energy of free electron. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
और कुछ मेटल्स में फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते ही नहीं, कुछ सॉलिड्स में फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते ही नहीं, तो उनकी फर्मी एनर्जी वैलेंस बैंड में आएगी. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
We have to know the location of Fermi energy for conductor, insulator, and semiconductor. Can you tell me what is the location of Fermi level in conductor? What is the highest possible energy level occupied by electron within the conductor? Is in conduction band or
Conduction
valence
band,
band?
sir.
Okay, means
Conduction
in
Conduction
band.
band, sir.
right, in conductor, our Fermi level is lies in conduction band, right? For insulator, is electron present in conduction band?
No, sir.
Then highest
No, sir.
possible energy level of electron in insulator, where is it
Valence
located? Where is it
Valence
located?
band.
Is in valence band. Means for insulator, it lies in valence band. But for semiconductor, where is our Fermi energy? Okay, please remember this Fermi energy lies at exactly middle between valence band and conduction band. Okay, this is the Fermi energy. Is it okay? For
Yes, sir. Yes.
semiconductor, this Fermi energy lies between valence band and conduction band, and we have proof also for that. Okay, mathematical proof how Fermi energy is lies between conduction band and valence band. Okay, right now I will explain all the things. We are studying semiconductor physics. Okay, what is time right now?
10:55.
Sir, 10:56,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Within 5 minutes, I will explain all the things in semiconductor physics.
Hey,
We have to study
पहुंच कर दी
semiconductor.
ये वाह तुम तो बड़े हेवी डाइवर हो.
Okay,
प्राणी हो यारो, प्राणी ना समझना.
roll number 39. Is I audible to you? Okay, definitely strict action will be taken against. Okay, I will warn you. I will take definitely strict action. ओके okay, किसी का फ्रेंड है क्या? जय, जय नाम है उसका, किसी का फ्रेंड है क्या वो?
No, sir.
Okay, he is not listening the lecture.
यार दादानी नजम ना.
Okay, lecture is recording. I will send this lecture to the principal, sir, and then definitely strict action will be taken against him. Okay, if anybody is his friend, please warn me.
जैसे बात कर रहे हैं ये रोटी सागन में किसनर का देखिए करके वे बाहर करने पे क्या छोड़ती है.
Okay, student, you can leave the meeting. Thank you. Okay, wait, I will take the attendance. Who is your class teacher?
Pranjali Shinde, ma'am, sir.
Pranjali ma'am.
Okay, okay.